Welcome to Renita's Cookhouse. Today I will prepare vegetable chowmein sauce chara or vegetable chowmein without sauce. It's a popular Kolkata snack. I'll show you how I make it. It's very filling yet nutritious. We have it as snack or as a meal. We love to have it especially during winter and monsoon. If you like my recipe, then hit the like, subscribe and bell icons below so that I can share more and more of my recipes with you every day. The ingredients we need are chopped cabbage, 1/4, medium, lemon juice solution, 3/4 cup, juice from 2 lemons with water, white vinegar diluted in water can also be used instead of lemon juice solution, boiled mushroom, 15 cut into halves. Mushrooms are boiled after washing thoroughly, then water is squeezed out. Spring onion, 15 cut into medium-sized cylinders. Half-boiled cauliflower, half. Medium. Cauliflowers are boiled, then water is drained. Chow mein, 3. Sliced onion, 3/4. Medium. Defrosted peas, 1 cup. Defrosted with water. Shredded carrots, 1 large. Green chilies, 5, small, slit in the middle. Diced tomato or cut into cubes, 2 large. Ajinomoto or Chinese salt, 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Refined oil, 9 tablespoons. Grinded ginger, 1 tablespoon. Grind it in mortar and pestle. Chopped cucumber and onion for serving, chaat masala for serving. We will start by making the noodles first. To make noodles, boil about 4 cups of water, about half teaspoon of salt and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of refined oil in a pan. Add the noodles and boil it up to 70 to 80%. We need to flip sides of the noodles so that they soak water and open up. With a fork, stir and separate or detangle the noodles threads further. To check the noodles, press the thread with 2 fingers. If it breaks with little pressure only, it means it's done. Repeat the process so that the noodle is not overcooked. Another way to know is the noodles water will be little cloudy. Too cloudy water means the noodles is overcooked. Drain the water. Keep it aside in a sieve so that all water drips out. The oil will not allow the noodles to stick to each other. To make the masala, heat about 6 tablespoons of refined oil in a pan. Add the ginger, spring onion, cauliflower, cabbage and about half teaspoon of salt. Mix them well. Saute in medium to high heat for 5 minutes. Stir frequently with downward to upward movement for proper mixing of ingredients and facilitate even distribution of heat throughout. After 5 minutes, add the onion, peas, chilies, carrots, mushrooms and about half teaspoon of salt. Mix them well. Saute for 5 minutes in medium to high heat. After 7 to 8 minutes, add the noodles, tomato, about half teaspoon of salt and about 1 teaspoon of ajinomoto. Mix them well. Saute for 5 minutes in low to medium heat. Stir frequently with downward to upward movement. After 7 to 8 minutes, add the lemon juice in circular motion. Mix them well. Cook in low to medium heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, taste it. Add whatever is required. I've added about half teaspoon of salt. Mix them well and cooked for 5 minutes in low to medium heat. I served the noodles with some chaat masala and chopped onion and cucumber. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. Please encourage me by leaving a comment. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy, and enjoy life.